Alright, so I'm out here with the Hover Air X1, as you can see. Now I'm going to quickly show you guys a new feature that has been recently added to it, which is the Find My Hover. And that allows you to find it in case, you crash it while it's following you. And it just automatically lands, and supposedly after 60 seconds, it should start beeping. So let's try that out and see if it actually works. They also added a gesture landing feature, which you cross your arms and it automatically returns back to you, which I'll show you that in another video. But anyway, let's try this out here. So right now I have it on hover, so I'm gonna let it hover. Alright, so right now it's just hovering, and let's say you crash into a tree or something, so I'm gonna tap it really hard to simulate that. So as you can see, it automatically lands itself. And now it's there. It's supposed to give you a collision warning, but I don't know what happened there. Maybe it's because I have the audio turned off on it. Yeah, that's what it is. I turned off the automated voice. So what it does, it's an automated voice comes out saying, "Oh, you've collided into an obstacle. Please be aware." Blah blah blah. I'm just paraphrasing that, and it lands automatically. And after 60 seconds, it should start beeping, which allows you to find the hover. So I'm just gonna wait here and see if it starts beeping.
Press any button to stop broadcasting sound.
Oh. Yeah, there it is. So as you can see, it's beeping. So I'm gonna walk away. See how loud that sounds. Here, let's see. So I don't know, I'm like maybe 5 meters away. And you can hear it. You can hear it. If I walk a little bit further, I can hear it. But once you're within like 3 meters or so, you can hear it very clearly. Yeah, there she goes. Alright, so all you do is just, after finding it, you pick it up, you press any button, and it stops beeping. I'll show you the gesture landing on another video. I just wanted to come out here real quick and show you that, which I thought was an interesting feature they added. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you on the next one. God bless you all.